Inflation is a growing concern for many retirees, especially when it comes to protecting your purchasing power in retirement. If you're worried about how inflation can erode your savings and reduce your quality of life, you're not alone. The truth is, inflation can dramatically impact your spending ability over time, and it's something every retiree needs to plan for. But here's the good news. There are steps you can take to protect your purchasing power in retirement, and I'm here to walk you through them. We're going to explore how inflation works, the risks it poses to retirees, and, most importantly, what you can do to shield your savings from inflation's effects. Stick with me till the end, because I'm going to show you why thousands of Americans are turning to one strategy in particular that could be a game changer for your retirement. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, you should check out the free Gold IRA guide in the description below. Thousands of Americans are using Gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and it's something you might want to consider if you haven't already. Let's talk about why inflation is such a big deal for retirees. The cost of living rises over time, and if your income isn't keeping up, it becomes harder to maintain the lifestyle you've worked for. Healthcare costs, for example, have been increasing year after year, and those expenses can quickly eat into your retirement funds. That's why it's so crucial to have a strategy in place to combat inflation. The first thing many retirees turn to is stocks, but that can be risky, especially with market volatility. Stocks can take a serious hit during periods of economic uncertainty, and a sudden downturn could significantly reduce your retirement savings. You might be tempted to park your money in bonds or savings accounts, but the returns on those investments have been lower than inflation rates for years, meaning your money could be losing value even if it appears to be growing. But there's a strategy that beats both these options: gold IRAs. By investing in precious metals like gold, you create a hedge against inflation. Gold has historically maintained its value during times of inflation and economic turbulence. In fact, it tends to rise in value when other assets struggle, making it an ideal choice for protecting your purchasing power in retirement. If you haven't already considered gold IRAs, it might be time to take a closer look. Now, I know some of you may be wondering, why gold? Why not real estate or other alternatives? Real estate is great, but it comes with high initial costs and the ongoing expenses of maintenance and property taxes. Gold, on the other hand, doesn't require any management or upkeep. It's a tangible asset that's been valued for thousands of years, and it's easily liquidated when needed. If you want to see how gold IRAs work and why they're the best option for many retirees looking to protect their wealth, click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, whether you have $100K or even $5 in savings, this guide will give you the insights you need to make an informed decision. Another key thing to keep in mind is diversifying your retirement savings. Relying solely on one asset class can expose you to unnecessary risk. By combining a gold IRA with other investments, you create a more balanced and resilient portfolio. And with inflation eating away at the value of cash savings, it's especially important to think about how you're protecting your wealth in the long run. If you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5MA plus in savings, it's time to seriously consider a gold IRA. Thousands of Americans are using this strategy to protect their purchasing power in retirement, and it could be just what you need to stay ahead of inflation. So, if you want to learn more about how gold IRAs can help secure your retirement from inflation, click the link below. This guide is perfect for retirees like you, looking for ways to safeguard their savings and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial security.